All right, welcome back. So PLTR, Palantir stock. So let's have a look at this name. We called out many times about probability of this name and qualifications of this name to get into the S&P 500, especially after reporting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 11 quarters of positive EPS, earnings per share. So officially, I think after September 20th expiration, which is probably 9/23rd, is going to be the first day of S&P 500 inclusion day trading for the stock. So until then, here's what I'm watching for the name. So this is a daily chart. We have 5 years of basically after this name going public around $10 and running all the way to 45, and the highest closing price for PLTR was at $39 level. It has never closed about this level. Of course, it printed 45 right there, but that was the peak for Palantir back in 2021, and it came down all the way to $6. And again, if you have been watching all their videos, well, we have called out that this stock would go down as an IPO that was not consistent with EPS. But right here, right now, what is important? So I'm going to be very short with this one. At the moment, yes, stock is in an uptrend. Not a clean, but yeah, it is in an uptrend where it is trading above all of its moving averages: 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, 20-day moving average, and 5-day moving average at the moment is right there at 35-ish or so. So what am I expecting? So yes, we do have a rate cut decision on Wednesday, and then big option expiration, and also everybody's hyped up about this name. Volume is increased. CEO, or I don't know who has been selling, Peter Thiel, right, the founder. But any S&P 500 stock that you're gonna look at it in the past 2-3 years at least, we're not gonna go too far. The moment it gets included in S&P 500, that means the indexes are going to be providing liquidity for anybody who did front run this move, this possibility of this stock getting included in the index. They will dump on those people, and that's whoever has to track the S&P 500, whoever has to add it to the basket. Those people will get sucked in. That has been the theme. You can go take a look at the latest inclusions of, I don't know, we can just take a look at Airbnb, right? When was it added to S&P 500? Is it trading above that inclusion date? I don't think so. I think it was added back there somewhere around 140-ish. And it didn't do much after inclusion. SMCI probably was one of the high runners where it was added somewhere. I think DEC was added as well, but this is a lot less, smaller cap name. What is it? It's 23 billion right now, 30 PE at the moment. It is holding up slightly better, but it is not trading above the inclusion date, where it was added somewhere around here with SMCI. That is right where it was added. So my point is, there's going to be selling pressure right after Palantir gets added to S&P 500, and I'll be watching this highest print area somewhere around 38, 39 as a basically area of rejection, area of basically there are people who have bought at these levels. Maybe those people will put a pressure too, but again, there's many could have dollar cost average it, but this is just looking left, looking at the past point of resistance area, and that's what I'm watching. So I'm watching sellers to show up and bring down this name all the way to at least to 50-day moving average. So come September 23rd, again, these are videos purely for entertainment, education purposes only. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is as a trader who trades in and out during a day, swing trades. My opinion that I will be watching this name not September 20th week, because we might have a little bit more gas in the tank to go all the way to these levels, $38, $39 levels, and then flush right back down to these 50-day moving averages at that point, maybe to like $32 levels. Because this moving average, I think around there, it will be around this level, 31, 32-ish. But that's my take for Palantir. That's what I'm watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.